Now, while I wouldn't say this is the most exciting news to come out of the 2020 Fiat Chrysler Automobile's What's New program, I would say it's probably some of the more interesting news. And that is this vehicle right here, which looks like a Pacifica and drives like a Pacifica, but it's called Voyager. So they're not doing away with Pacifica, get that out of your head. But basically what is happening is this vehicle right here is going to replace the bottom two trims of Pacifica. So the L and the LX are now going to be the Voyager. So this is your economy class vehicle that is for budget-oriented families. So what do you need to know about the new Voyager? It'll come with a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. It'll deliver 287 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It'll also come with a 9-speed automatic transmission. In combined fuel economy, 22 miles per gallon. It'll also come standard with Apple CarPlay. For families, it loses none of the family functionality in terms of storage and cubby holes. So it'll still have stow and go, it'll still have the fold flat third row seats. What it doesn't have, however, is a plethora of USB ports. It will only have one standard, and that is in the front. So if you are taking a family road trip, be sure to bring an extra battery pack to charge up all those mobile devices. Now, the most important thing that you need to know about this vehicle is that it will have a base price under $27,000. So not exciting in terms of driving on a racetrack or horsepower, but a very interesting move from Chrysler introducing the 2020 Voyager.